In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate and reactivate your Roblox account. Whether you're taking a break or seeking a more permanent solution, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. To begin with, it's important to note that Roblox does not offer a straightforward feature to pause an account. However, there are steps you can take to make your account inactive for a period. Start by logging out of your Roblox account on all your devices. This will ensure no activity is being registered under your account. Next, if you have a Roblox Premium subscription, you'll want to cancel that. Simply head over to Settings, then Billing, and select Cancel Subscription. While you're managing your account settings, it's wise to clear out any payment methods you might have saved under your Roblox account. This not only ensures that you won't be charged unexpectedly, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you've logged out, canceled subscriptions, and removed payment methods, uninstall the Roblox app from your devices. Your account will remain inactive from this point on until you choose to log back in. A handy tip to keep in mind is that Roblox accounts that are inactive for longer than a year may be deleted, although this isn't guaranteed. On a positive note, if you only logged out or just went inactive, reactivating your account is quite simple. All you need to do is log back in with your username and password, and your account will be reactivated automatically. It's a seamless process that lets you pick up right where you left off. If your goal is to permanently deactivate, or in other words, delete your Roblox account, this requires getting in touch with Roblox support directly. Begin by visiting the Roblox support page on their website. You'll need to fill out a form with some key information: your name, email address linked to the account, and your Roblox username. When you reach the issue details section, choose the help category as account and the subcategory as delete account. In the description box, you'll want to write a clear message to Roblox support, such as "Hello Roblox support. I would like to permanently delete my Roblox account associated with this email and username. Please confirm once it's deactivated. Thank you." Once submitted, you should receive a confirmation email, usually within 3 to 5 business days. Remember, once they delete your account upon your request, it's permanent and cannot be recovered. Should you decide to return, you'll need to create a brand new account. And there you have it. Those are the steps to deactivate and reactivate your Roblox account, with an option for permanent deletion if that's what you choose. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.